Sometimes our consumers cannot or will not tell the truth. What shall we do? More and more lie detection methods have been developed in order to access truth as opposed to verbal answers and behaviors governed by the conscious mind. The implicit association test, or IAT, is an advanced lie detecting technique increasingly applied in quantitative consumer research. The process is very easy to conduct, as you simply ask respondents to participate in a mini-game. Stemming from social research on subconscious social and prejudicial perceptions, IAT is more reliable scientific measurement than conventional self-reported data. By priming and playing a double-categorized test, IAT discloses real preferences between two incompatible or opposite categories, such as two competing brands, or converse attitudes like, I want to buy, or I don't want to buy. In the past, IAT has been successfully used for racial discrimination testing and Taliban member identification by the U.S. military. Presently, TMRC uses IAT to help our clients understand consumers' real purchase intent and evaluate competitive performance of their own brands.